muffins? What do you like more? Wow, and Dora, wow. Already the muffins. Chef Anastasia, you like to cook?
No, Anastasia.
Anastasia, yes. Wow, you make muffins with chocolate. Wow, so delicious. So delicious, Dora. Muffins with chocolate. Yummy, yummy. This will be a great recipe. So delicious. Let's see Aya. Wow, so nice, Aya. Yummy, yummy. It will be the best recipe. What are you doing? Aya, eating chocolate? Dora, eating chocolate?
No.
Open your mouth. Eating chocolate. Aya,
Yes.
do you eat chocolate? So nice. Your muffins are spectacular. The best muffins ever. With chocolate.
Gata.
Nice recipe.
Gata.
Okay, let's put it in the oven.
Me too.
Thank you, Aya. Oven. Looks so nice. Let's bake them. Thank you, girls.